Smell and Smile. This is a Middle Eastern perfumery shop. Let's get off of the jibber jabbering and get right to the product itself. And here's the second one. So I got 2 of them for myself and I have 1 for a friend. So let's get into smelling these. These are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And the other one, it came also in the same style of bottle, but now you'll be able to see the different colors of oil that they use. This is a very yellowy color, and this one is more of a brighter yellow, maybe leaning more of a green color. But these are the 2 different colors of oils. It's fantastic to watch them. It's fantastic to see them mixing, and those, my friend, I could stay in there for weeks, just weeks, looking and smelling. And this one here is very sweet with vanilla. It has a lot of sweetness in it, but if you smell it, it really has the smell of Bianca latte. So it's very sweet, very gourmand, vanilla, caramelly smell in with this one. And this is similar to Bianca latte. But you can see I've already been using it a lot. And the atomizer on this is incredible as well. My friend, the name of their shop, Smell and Smile, is perfectly named. But this one here is another one. So this is also 2 shots with the oil, the scented oil, and then the rest of it is alcohol. And even the bottles themselves are super stunning. I love them. I love everything about it. I love my visit in there. I didn't stop there. This one is for a friend. And because they also sell oils without alcohol, if you don't want to mix them and have alcohol in them, you can get the straight oils. If you even want the straight oil in the bigger perfume bottles, I'm sure that they could do that. But these ones here are just straight oil without any alcohol in them. I specifically requested ones with alcohol because if you spray it on your clothes, oil may stain your clothes a little bit. So my main interest was the one with the alcohol, less staining going on then. But I also, because I love them so much, I asked the guy, could you just give me little ones with just straight oil? And these are super concentrated. So then I have this one that's very similar to the Bianca latte. Then I have the one, of course, that is like the caramel. And I asked for them to be with, instead of the little glass stick that they have in here, and you just swipe the stick on, he showed me different styles, but this one has a rollerball on it. So you can just put the perfume on like this here. This is purse friendly. So if you're out and about and you want to smell nice, this is small enough to fit in your bag. So my friends, the name of the store you will find up here. And if you're ever in Toronto, if you ever live in Toronto, you should pay these people a visit. You will not be disappointed with your visit at all. They are beautiful. So my friends, let me know in the comment section below, have you ever tried these kinds of perfumes? And have you ever been in a perfume shop like that?